What's up, everybody? This is Rider in Red from Sevastopol, Argentina. And this, you guys, is the Red Baron. Now, I want you guys to go a little easy on her today. And I want you to comment and tell me if you think she's a good-looking beaut. I'll tell you what's my plan on the way. You guys remember RPG showing up on my videos, in my 2-op videos? Well, we do have some cool ideas on newer vlogs, but this week she's been busy stuck in an office, and to help her out from turning into an office plankton, I have a pretty interesting idea. It's just super hot right now, and man, I don't feel like talking. And we're in. So the plan is to go get a care package for her and make her day. Let's see how this goes. As far as I know, she'll like some KFC with a chef burger or something. So that should be pretty spot on. Let's go. All the beauties are here. You just gotta figure out how to pack this shit up so I don't squish them. And we're off to a good start. Let's roll, you guys. You know, with all this effort during the freaking hot 100+ degrees Fahrenheit, I would expect her to at least enjoy this. The gloves are on. I wish I lived in Europe right now, because I could get some Happy Meal for her. You know, no man gets happy as when you give him a Happy Meal. Oh, look at her weep, man. While I'm at this humanitarian mission, why don't you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel? About 80 to 90% of my viewers aren't even subscribed, man. What the hell? Support your boy, bitches. That girl is having fun. This has to be a hell of a vlog. If you guys don't give me at least 15 likes, I'm gonna go nuts. I'm legit gonna go fucking nuts. Alright, this is about to happen. I haven't mentioned anything to her about the burgers, or me even showing up to her workplace. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna be convenient or not, but I got the burgers in my backpack, I got my backpack on my back. This is going good. I'm hungry, I bet she's hungry as well. And hopefully she's gonna be happy to see me. If you like filtering, which this was a poor attempt of filtering, but if you like filtering, hit a like to the video and subscribe. what's up, man? Damn, that's my homeboy from Ducati Service. Them guys real good. If he only knew I had burgers, man, I'd imagine he would just pull me over and be like, "Saw, dog, let me have the burgers." And I'd be like, "Nah, man, those burgers are for somebody else, somebody special." Speaking of special, Red Baron. Hell yeah. We are here, guys. I'm getting a little scared she might not even pick up her phone at work or something. Now to just find a parking spot, and what do we have here? Oh man, this bike does sound amazing. Now check her out, you guys. She is a beaut. And oh, hello. You ride this thing? Du hast geschoren? Is this a Hayasa 350?
This is Hayasa, yeah.
Alright, nice. I am from Armenia, partly from the United States. What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Wait. You know RP.
RP?
Yeah. Is she there?
She's working at the same place where I work.
Alright.
She's there. We can talk.
Where is she? Come here, I got something for you. Sorry guys, I am so sorry to disrupt you all. By the way, all the smiles is so beautiful. Totally made my day.
Six hours later.
Did you like your...
I did, it was nice. Thank you, KFC. Thank you.
Wow, this video is not sponsored by KFC. Just so you guys know. Hey KFC, if you're watching, hit me up, guys. Alright. And that is how you do a nice gesture, guys.